Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily restore your admin password for your WordPress website. So let's say I don't remember my password and for some reason I can't log into my email account either, so I can't use the lost password feature of WordPress. So what to do if something like that happens? So first you have to make sure that you have access to your server and your phpMyAdmin. And if you go to phpMyAdmin and you select your database and you go to the WP users table, you can see here is my admin user here. And if you click edit, and you can see that the user password is stored in an encrypted string. So here we can just replace this string with a new password, because if I save this, so you can see that my password is stored as 123456. And if I go back here and let me just refresh the page, it's not going to work. So we need to somehow generate that encrypted password. So to do that, let's go to my website here, avretut.com, and from the tools menu select the hashed password generator option. Here we can generate a new hashed password. So here you can read more about this method. So the password hash is a representation of a plain text password that has been run through an algorithm to produce a unique encrypted output. So this is what hashing means. And here you can also read more about the different encryption methods. But if you are not really into this, you can just type your password here. Let's use the previous one, 123456, and click submit. And now the system generated a new hashed or encrypted password for me based on what I just entered here. So if I click here, I copy this string of characters and I'll go back to phpMyAdmin, edit my user, and I just paste this here and click go to save this. And if I go back and refresh this page, and if I type 123456, now I should be able to log in. And yes, now I am logged in. So this is a really easy way to restore your WordPress admin user password. Now, if you want to be super safe, just go to the users menu and here just change your password. Again, here you can set a new password just to be sure. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks very much.